Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will learn about Java. So let's start with Java. Java is a programming language and it has many features we can say. So 12 features we know currently. So I will be telling the feature name and like why it is so. So for that I have used java tpoint.com. Okay, so you can also use that. So why java is simple? Because it is very easy to learn, its syntax are very simple, and everything is clear and easily understandable by everyone. Now let's see their point what they have written. Java syntax is based on C++, and Java has removed many complicated rarely used features like pointers. There are no need to remove unreferenced object. Unreferenced objects are those objects which are not needed for future, like it will not contain any value or reference will not be there. So they are automatically garbage collected. Object oriented. What it means? Java is an object oriented programming language, means everything in Java is an object where we organize our software as a combination of different type of objects that inherit data and behavior. Okay, so some concept of object oriented programming language follows: object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Okay, we will explaining in detail this. No need to worry if you don't about it. Okay, just remember that object oriented because it contains basic concept: object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. I will be explaining you in the later part all these topics. Okay, now platform independent. Java is platform independent. Why? Like which are compiled into a platform. Okay, so it has its own platform. So, so, we will learn from here. Java code can be executed on multiple platforms: Windows, Linux, etc. Okay. Java code is compiled by the compiler and converted to bytecode. Bytecode is platform independent code because it can be run on multiple platforms. Write once and run anywhere. So I have written here and I can run this code anywhere. Okay. So in this point you have to remember that you have to write Java code one place and you can run it anywhere. This is the most important line to be remembered. Okay, and your Java code can be executed in multiple platforms. Okay, Java code is compiled by a compiler and converted into bytes code, and that byte code is platform independent code. Okay, so we are writing once and compiling it, and that is converted to bytecode, and that bytecode can be executed anywhere. Okay, why it is secured? Because there is no explicit pointer. Java program run inside a virtual machine. Okay, so this is our Java application and this is our JVM. So, and this is the our operating system means OS. okay, where our application will run. So it have its own JVM. Now what is robust? Means strong memory management. Okay. Because it does not have a pointer that avoids the security problem. And Java provides automatic garbage collector, so which runs on the JVM to get rid of the objects which are not being used by the Java application anymore. And there is exception handling, so it is also make it robust. Architectural neutral. Java is architectural neutral because there are no implementation dependent features. Like size of primitive is also defined. Portable because it facilitates to carry your Java byte to any platform. High performance. Java is faster because Java bytecode are closer to native code. Okay. Java is distributed. It facilitates distributed. Like this EJB are used for creating distributed application in Java. Like it makes us to access file by calling the method from any machine on the internet. Multi-threading. A thread is like a separate program executing concurrently. We can write Java program that deals with many tasks once by defining multiple threads. Main advantage is that it does not occupy memory for each thread. It shares a common memory. Okay, the main point shares the common memory, and we can do multiple tasks in a thread using multi-threading. Okay, dynamic. We will support dynamic loading of classes. Okay, like it supports dynamic comparison, automatic memory management, garbage collection. So it's all dynamic. So you got all the features. Main you have to remember is object oriented. So I will be explaining the object oriented. This is asked. Okay, what is class? Class of is a group of object which has common properties. You can think now what is object? Class is object. Now object is an entity that has a state and behavior. Like pen, we is stated like we write with pen. It says behavior. We have to write it. Okay. So an entity that has state and behavior. Class is a group of objects. Remember, you have to remember this thing. Like inheritance. What is inheritance? This is a very long topic. I will be explaining later. Smaller part I am telling you. Like it is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the property and behavior of parent object. Like there is a child class and one parent class. So child class will have all the properties of its parent class. Okay. Now polymorphism. Polymorphism are of two types: runtime and compile type. Okay, means method overloading and method overriding. And I will be explaining in detail in later part. I'm just taking the introduction for now. Now what is abstraction? This is also very important topic of abstraction. What is abstraction? Like it hide the implementation detail, only show the functionality. Like for example, I can say car engine details we do not know, but how to drive it we know it. How it will function we know it. Okay. So Now, encapsulation. What is encapsulation? It means wrapping of data and unit into a single unit. Like this capsule, you can see what inside that data and code are together. So, into a single unit, that is capsule. Okay, so these are the main features. So, if you have any question, please comment and please do subscribe, like my video. If any question, please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.